Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to make a patricio made out of aluminium, the best friend of SpongeBob. But I made some improvement in my equipment, in my foundry, and also in the mold. I'm expecting to have better results with these things and with the experience that I have in the previous video with the minions that you can watch in this card. Okay, first improvement that I made, I have added these metal bars to the mold, so this way always when I put back the other part it will be in the same position like this, so we have more precision. Second improvement is I'm going to use the compressor to get air in the foundry. This is much more comfortable than the air blower I was holding like this sometimes because it's very difficult to fix it. And the third improvement is that I'm going to put this bar in the bottom of the foundry so I don't have problems with the melting pot, because it fits very tight and the flame was not capable to burn, so I don't get very high temperatures, so this way the fire will have enough room to burn properly. I'm going to get the aluminium from this aluminium pot, I'm going to cut it in pieces and I will put in the foundry. I cut the pot in pieces and now it's all in the crucible. This is much easier to set up. We fill the lower frame of the mold with sand and then we start to smash it energetically with the wooden stick. Here we have Patrick's plastic figure. We are going to press it against the sand. Then we hit it with the wooden stick until it sunk half of the body into the sand. Maybe we have to dig a little bit into the sand to get half of the body inside. This figure is quite challenging because the head is bent to the back. We add talcum powder between the top and the lower mold frame. This way they will not hug and we will be able to pull apart both frames. Now we put the top frame and we start to fill it with sand. We have to put two tubes in the top of the figure. This way we will have one hole to pour the aluminium and other hole will be the air outtake. When we finish to fill the top frame with sand, we can start to smash it with the stick. Then we have to remove extra sand from the mold with the wooden stick. Do it like you see in the video. We remove the tubes on the mold and we make the aluminium intake more bigger so it will be more easy to pour the aluminium inside. We even make a little hill. Now we open the mold and take a look. Oh, look! Looks beautiful! I want to make sure we don't have any problem with the pavement this time, so I'm going to make the legs a little bigger. Now carefully we remove Patrick from the mold. Look at this, it looks real good. And now we place the top frame in place, so we have finished the mold. Finally, the most dangerous part. We are going to pour the melted aluminium into the mold. Remember, safety is #1 priority. Never do this at home. It seems that I was a little short of aluminium, but not too much. Let's take a look. Was not cold enough. Well, let's try again. Let's get more aluminium. time there was enough aluminium, you can know it because there is aluminium on the air outtake. This time we are going to let it cool for half an hour at least. And let's see what we got. Still hot. I can tell you that this is still hot. Oh, there is nothing. Look at this. Let's see if it's still hot. Well, okay, let's cut this and this. Now we are going to sandpaper this and this and cut this so we have a base to place it. Look at this! It's not bad for being the second figure. As you can see, the details in the back of the figure is better than in the front. This is because I make an error that I'm going to rectify for the next figure. I have to smash also the lower frame. This is the second day trying with the aluminium casting figures. I'm very happy about the results. If you want to see how to build a Foundry, take a look to the car. If you want to see how I did the minions, take a look to the other car, so you will find every video you want. If you have an idea what figure should I do next, tell me, and if I found the figure, I will do it for you. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.